Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Security and Fingerprint. This gets you straight into enrollment. Make sure the screen is dry and your finger is clean, because oil or moisture reduces sensor accuracy. Tap Add Fingerprint and follow the on-screen prompt. The phone will ask for a PIN or pattern backup. Set that now. Once done, steady your hand on a flat surface and lift and place your finger when asked until the initial outline completes. You now refine the scan by varying angles and pressure. The system needs different contact areas to recognize slight rotations. When prompted, place the center of the pad, then the sides and the tip. This teaches the sensor how you naturally hold the device. Make sure to alternate between light and firm presses. This improves recognition for wet or sliding grips. Once you finish the main fingerprint, consider adding a second finger or an alternate position to reduce future unlock failures. You finish by enabling fingerprint for screen unlock, app access, and payments in the same security menu. Toggle the options you want. Test unlocking several times, holding the phone naturally to confirm speed and consistency. If it fails often, delete and re-register the print, capturing edges more thoroughly. Make sure the sensor and your finger are clean. If problems persist, remove your screen protector or case that may block the sensor, then retry enrollment. One tip: re-register every few months for long-term accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.